Hello people, and welcome back to my channel after few weeks offline from YouTube. And today I want to make a very shimmery, glittery, disco vibes inspired look by Dua Lipa and her new video for song Physical. And of course Eldridge did her makeup, and they changed I think more than 10 looks in that music video. And I really like that disco vibes, very shimmery, bright colors, false eyelashes. Everything looks so beautiful, so vibrant and full of colors. So I want to make a look with that turquoise, I don't know how to pronounce that, blue eye. It's wonderful. Blue is my favorite color, so I decided to make that look. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. I'm using flat foundation brush to get more coverage, and then I will blend with Lipa brush. And I think that the Dua Lipa is bringing really nice makeup looks, something that you can see every time. It's very fun and different, and like fresh, something new. And my tip when you are doing quite full coverage base, build up very slowly and then wait for a few minutes to everything settle down, and then see if you have any more redness that you want to cover. Or oh, I don't like YouTube ads, that's so freaking annoying. And then I again build where I see and feel that I need more coverage. Now I'm taking smaller mirror to see if I blended that out nicely, and if I have some places where I want more coverage, especially around my nose. I found that foundation is settling not the best way, so I always try to blend it and make it nice there. I think that foundation is nice, very polished, everything is even now. Now I'm going on concealer. I will use two colors. This is very extra, so I will use NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. So this is brighter color, and I will use Instant Anti-Age, this one from Maybelline, and this is very yellow based concealer, and it's good for just to correct some places on my face. Use light hand, very light hand, because if you are very harsh, you will remove all that work from foundation. For the eyes, I will put some extra concealer on eyelids. I don't usually do this, but for this look I have to. I'm setting this concealer with some white eyeshadow, like this, and I will use big brush and swipe the excess, like this. I will not just blindly follow her look. I will be just inspired and see how it works for my skin tone, my eye shape, and so on. I will start with very bright color in here in the corners. Now just build that color. Don't swipe. Now we are building that intensity. And just this can be look with mascara. It's wonderful. I like bright colors here in the inner corners. Now we are done with this color. Now I'm going with very navy, nice glittery color. Blue, of course. And this one has a quite fallout. I will use paper under my eye too, because I don't want to remove my base. So I'm placing here. Just don't care if you go very up to your brow bone. Again, we are building color. This is almost Bowie, that shape when he wore blue eyeshadow. Now I'm starting to create some shape. I'm trying to wing it a bit. And now I will do just the same thing on the other eye. Now just start slowly to blend out, but not too much. And now I will place concealer under my eyes. Just be careful to not mix your concealer with eyeshadow. And now I'm using this blue mixed with black, and I'm pressing very close to lash line. Because she has some glitter under there. Mascara and brows are done. Now I will do highlight, but her face looks very wet and wet glowy. So I will apply Willida Skin Food, and also she has tan, and that makes big difference between her look and my look, because with tan colors like this look more vibrant and vivid. So I will do this Willida, just tap it with my fingers, and then use that foundation brush to just melt. And to be honest, I don't have idea what I will do with my blush. I will try with some peachy tones, maybe more pink, something between this and this. Let's try. I will build up very slowly. No, this is not a good brush. I'm concentrating here on the apples, not that much here on bone. And she has some nude lips on her lips, but I will use just clear lip gloss from MAC, and I can't see it. It's here. So this is my favorite lip product to use. It doesn't want to focus. I don't like this camera. So this is my favorite product for lips to use when I do editorial looks like this one. And this is the finished result. It's very blue, very vibrant, shimmery, glittery, disco, wonderful look. I'm really happy and I'm feeling very myself with this look. And I really hope you like it. Like this video, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, and see you in the next one. Bye.